on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play You Deserve It by Trippie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll curb stomp your entire family. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song's in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 5th fret. You're using a few different chords, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need those, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're going to start with a C major chord. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And you're going to pick A, D, B, G, D. So A, D, B, G, D. And you do that twice, so then you're going to stay on that C chord and you're going to pick A, D, high E, B, G. And that's only one time. So twice here, and then once here. Then go to the G chord, and all you really need is 3 on the low E and 2 on the A, because you're going to pick G, you're going to pick the low E, D, B, G. So, again, low E, D, B, G. Then you're going to go to an F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And you're picking E, A, D, G, D, A. Twice. Then you're going to go to E major, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. And you're going to pick that same thing once. And then high E1, high E open. So from the F, so all together slowly from the top, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, Intermediate, or Advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.